Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your sequence and finding the clip with unwanted music. Increase audio track height so you can see waveform detail. This helps you spot music sections versus dialogue. Once located, right-click the clip and unlink if you need to move audio separately from video. Make sure to duplicate the audio track before editing. That gives you a non-destructive backup. While doing this, keep the timeline playhead near a clear section to test changes quickly. Assign the audio clip in essential sound as dialogue if speech is primary, or music if removing background. This tells Premiere which automated tools to offer. Use denoise and reverb at low settings to avoid artifacts, then run match loudness to stabilize levels. Next, add a parametric equalizer and sweep to find dominant music frequencies, typically between 200 and 5000 Hz, and notch them out incrementally. Take small cuts and listen. Aggressive EQ can thin dialogue, so balance reduction with clarity. Finalize by rendering a short segment to hear real-time results and use a /B playback to confirm improvement. If you hear metallic artifacts or warbling, make sure to ease off the EQ cuts and try the Repair Spectral Frequency repair workflow in Adobe Audition for surgical removal. Once satisfied, export stems, one for dialogue and one for music, so you can redo mixes later without re-editing the master. If noise persists, check for phase issues and try small.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.